Greetings and good wishes. So one of our clients, they came to us and they asked that what to do. We want to fire an employee who has not been performing to the required level, and he's not listening to instructions. So he is a pain. Okay, so how to manage this? So I advised them on this front, and it was quite successful. Things went very smoothly, and they were able to solve the problem. So I would speak about all that, what I advised, and then the matter was solved. Perhaps it would be useful to you as well. So in this scenario, what you need to do, if you have to fire any employee, then do not go ahead and give a letter that you are fired, and as per your appointment letter, this is the money equivalent to your notice period, and we would be paying to you, etc. Because when you do this, the employee can go to the labor court, and if you don't have sufficient proof that you have asked him to improve, which is not in writing, okay, you have given him notice in writing that you would be firing him, then you may have to pay the required penalty, okay, and also you may have to rehire him, okay. So you could lose the case. So instead of doing this, what you need to do, you call employee for a counseling session and then tell him that we have been telling you since quite some time now, and it seems you are not able to come to the level where you are required to be, okay, and you must be talented in some other area you are, and you can do well in those areas, but here you are not fitting well, and therefore we have decided to terminate you. But we would not, you can use a better, more polite word, something like we would let you go. And if you are not, if you do not want this to happen, then what you can do is, like, you can resign, and we will pay you your salary equivalent to your notice period. Now, what would happen when you resign? When you resign, then in our books, okay, in our records, it would be written that you have resigned. And therefore, when you go for other employment in your career today, after 10 years, after 20 years, whatever, okay, then these days, background check and reference check is very, very usual, okay. Almost all companies, they are doing background check and reference check. So when they write to us, okay, since it would be official, we will have to write back whatever is truth. So if we fire, we have to write that you have been fired, and that's the end of your application anywhere, in any place where you're trying. Okay, so that situation must be avoided by you. This is our suggestion. And anyways, we have decided that we would let you go. Therefore, you resign, and we would pay you, and it would be a friendly relationship. It would be amicably done. Okay, and there won't be any issue between us. Okay, so when you say this 90% times, okay, they agree. All right, and this is what happened here also. The employee was quite notorious. He pushed back a bit. He said, no, you should have told me, and give me some time, etc., etc. But when they said that no, we are going to take this a step, he finally agreed. Okay, he agreed, and at that time they had a letter typed with a blank that he can sign, and a resignation was there. Okay, so they said that we knew that this would happen, and this is our usual situation. It happened in past as well, and therefore this is the letter, and you can sign, and we would accept it. And in the letter you can write that that employee, as if that employee is writing that I am resigning, and please pay me the salary equivalent to the notice period, and he would sign, and we can let him go. Okay, so this could be a way to do it. Okay, and as I said, if you are not doing it, then they can definitely go to the labor court, and create a lot of mess. Okay, so you as an HR manager, or you as a business owner, or a top management, you can safeguard yourself by doing this. We are from Salakar Consultants. There are other brands like Happy People to Profit. Okay, so how to keep people happy and still bring profit for the organization. So these kind of few brands we have. We have got planmytrainings.com, where we bring a lot of trainers together. So we do all this kind of things. And one of the important service that we have is to train HR professionals. So if you have HR professionals in your company, or you are yourself watching this video and you are an HR professional, then you can come to us and we would train you on similar concepts. Okay, what I narrated right now, this kind of concepts we would train you, right from recruitment to training to the compliances to performance management of employees, how you can make your employees work as a partner with the organization. So those kind of training we have. We also have training for CEOs and top management people. Link can be seen here, or at the top, or the link could be seen in the description as well. Many of these training programs are free of cost. You can give your email address, and we would also give you certain articles or these kind of case studies, which are enormously important to our clients. Okay, we are into this business, and we face a lot of very usual thing which people struggle, because that's not their business. Okay, so this is how you can get helped by our content, and we can be in touch. We have got link of the Facebook page. It's a VIP Facebook group, for one for HR professionals, another for the top management of the company. Please click there. It is also in the description box. You can click there as well, and you can be in touch. We are pretty old. I would show you some of the credential letters, okay, so that you understand how we are rated in the market. Here is a letter from one of our clients, and they're saying that we could build their recruitment system. They were struggling, and now their recruitment is very smooth. They have been able to build their business because recruitment was critical. Okay, so we developed processes and systems, and now it's working very well. Another credential letter could be seen here. So yeah, so we recommend that you connect with us, and it would be a great journey. Okay, this particular credential letter is talking about a lot of money saved in one interaction with the client. So we have saved 25 lakhs for this client. We look forward to benefit you on a similar occasions. Please get in touch with us, and we would love to take this relationship ahead. Thank you so much.